Mindanao. So check the website if we are going to a city near you. A service ace for Iris Tolenada to open things up.
Receivers of Capital One. So for Capital One, they need to do the same. They need to serve hard to at least get a chance of pushing Creamline to go for the broken plays.
Gina Toring also had a great first set. She was in the service line for quite a long time. That's where they got and opened up a big lead in Estrella. Speaking of her sets, she was that bright spot on his quest for another championship. The drop for Galanza will not work, but the block for Banaga will. Technical timeout, 2-point lead for Creamline. 8 a.m. live on NBA TV Philippines, One Sports, RPTV, and Pilipinas Live app. Galanza rejects. Genesis from the other side. Negrito now to MG from the opposite side. It's still in play. The set for a quick hit by Pangs Banaga.
She was really asking for that ball. She saw an opportunity to score for Creamline and she took it.
Monday, 8 a.m. live on NBA TV Philippines, One Sports, RPTV, and the Pilipinas Live app. Sabi nga ni Janet, tomorrow she will root for Tyrese Haliburton. Ikaw, Neil, sinong player i-root mo?
So, SJ.
Wow! The MVP, just like Creamline with multiple MVPs. 7-point lead. And a spark from Shola Alvarez.
Getting a check ball off Sheena Toring. They need all the attack points that they can get. Lalo na papalapit na yung Creamline sa 20-point mark.
Yung timeout kasi fireworks yung pinakinggan nila. So hopefully Shola could provide some fireworks here. Still down big by 6. About a service ace. So fireworks nga. Back-to-back points for Shola Alvarez.
Shank pass will give a 3-point to the Solar Spikers. The second service ace of Capital One. Mga wing spikers ng Creamline kung saan nakapwesto yung defenders. So if they backpedal, that's the time that they go for those drops. Shola Alvarez scoring once again for Capital One.
Gandang bawi kay Shola Alvarez. Take a look at this rewind.
So far gumagana yung mga substitutions ng Capital One every time they put people in.
Coach Jorge was talking about no more drop balls, please, on that timeout. It's been a weapon of choice here for Creamline, who are 2 points away from getting a 2-0 lead. Estrella, in the meantime, has other plans.
Sa ngayon nakikita natin yung bagong 1-2 punch ng Capital One. It's Shola Alvarez and Estrella doing the damage.
Toring. That is relentless.
Fresh off a UAAP championship.
Set point. Thank you, Sheena Toring. Tough back set. I am telling you, there's a different version of Estrella we are seeing today.
She keeps on challenging the blockers. She keeps on scoring. Capital One still keeping it close in set number 2, but Creamline has 3 set points.
What a serve by Galdones. Valdez.
Make that 2 set points. Creamline is asking for a check ball.
Cruz with Bella. And how will they fit in? And yes. Yes, there was. And Eliza Valdez is sure of it. So a a successful challenge. The Creamline Fruit Smashers will win set number 2. This is brought to you by Myra. Be Vita Brighter with Myra's Vitamin Power.